is our morning routine, just taking Finny down to the beach and having a big play with him. It's literally his favourite thing in the world, so it's really sweet. All he wants from us is for us to play with him. But yeah, it's a beautiful morning. It's a bit stormy and cloudy, a bit moody, but yeah, we've had a really busy few weeks recently. We're actually launching or relaunching a business with our beautiful friends Kendall and Glenn. It's called Soulside Studio. It'll be up and running by the time I have this video up. So I'll leave a link to the website in the description. But yeah, this week is launch week and I'm so excited. We've been working so hard behind the scenes. It feels good. Very exciting new adventure that we're all embarking on together. But yeah, I thought I would take you along with us for a week in the van life here in beautiful Exmouth and just show you more of the behind the scenes stuff too. Really not sure what we're going to get up to this week because yeah, like I said, we're launching the business, so that's going to be our main priority, but hopefully we get a few nice days out on the water, maybe a surf. But yeah.
Yeah, the one we're on is great.
We have been having some very cloudy and very rainy days recently, which is never much fun in a van. Yeah, and our battery is super low now, so we're just kind of driving around trying to charge that up. This lifestyle is very weather dependent. Sunny days are amazing, but days like this are pretty hard, especially with a pop paint. Oh, that's okay. I'm just gonna go for a drive and then make a coffee somewhere. Whoop, whoop, whoop. It's lunch day!
That's binoculars.
Bet you can't guess what Reece is making.
Making flatbreads, making flatbreads.
Man, the van is a mess. But
Flatbreads.
flatbreads. I had every intention of filming a whole launch week for Soulside. And then we literally just sat on our laptops for a week organising the website and just everything, and yeah, just didn't feel very inspired to pick up the camera. And we also had some really just crappy weather, lots of rain, so that was fun. But yes, Soulside is up and running now. It's looking amazing and we've had such a beautiful response so far, so thank you guys so much. We have also announced that the boys, Glenn and Reece, are making a short film called Shaping Dreams, where they are shaping their first ever surfboards. It's actually behind me. Oop! Spoiler. Yeah, and so far it's amazing. I'm so proud of what they have achieved with that, so yeah, really excited to share more on that. There's actually a little teaser trailer up, so I'll link that. Yeah, and we'll share more about Soulside and everything with you guys soon. But Kendall and I have launched our West Coast collection presets, so if you're into photo editing, then be sure to check that out. We've got a discount that we created just for our YouTube followers to say thank you for all your constant beautiful support. So yeah, I'll leave that in the link too. Hopefully some good weather now, some good surf, boat days, and yeah, exciting things ahead.
I went around in a real good blood.
You got away with words today.
I made bread! Real bread.
Real bread.
It's so good! It's so fluffy.
So good.
You make bread on a stove.
Yeah. Yeah.
Entree.
All the flies.
With a few flies. I really should have moved the laundry.
I know.
Ooh.